Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save translated text on the Google Translate website. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open whatever browser is working for you. Of course, it could be like Opera, Brave like me, Firefox, Internet Explorer even. It's working for you. I don't know, Microsoft Edge, but what I suggest you to use is the Google Chrome browser because it gives you the full options of the Google Translate website because you don't have all the options on other browsers. So once you opened your browser, go here to the URL section. All you need to do, just type translate.google dot oh, sorry .com and hit the enter button. And now that will take you into this page. And of course, if it's your first time, you will not find any languages here like me because I already used one of those. So that's why I find them here. But for you, as we said in the beginning of the video, we would like to, or you would like to save translated text. So let's say as an example here in English, I'm just going to type how are you doing? And okay, let's just let Japanese so you can hear it, of course, if you want. And of course, you would like to save this audio that you hear. So simply, if you want to do that, you would like to go and copy this and then go and open a new tab, then type sound, sorry, or let's just type sound to text.com and hit the enter button. Of course, let's just wait a bit. Sorry, I guess it's not sound to text, it's sound off. So just type, let's just type it from over sound off text.com and hit the enter button. Let's see. Yeah, this website. So of course here you would like to paste the things that you copied and choose here the language. So for us it's Japanese, and let me just hit the Control V, and as you can see, here is it. Of course, you can remove it if you want and paste it again and hit submit button. And here you'll be able to play it to hear it if you want to see if it's the same thing as Google Translate, and then download it if you want by clicking here. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.